Now that we know how to navigate to a web page using a web browser, let's navigate to a web page that's more specifically important to us right now. Let's go to the Parkland College webpage. In order to go to the Parkland College webpage, we will need to type its address in the browser address bar. So I have Google Chrome, the browser, open, right? And if I take my cursor, my arrow, and I go up, up, up to the left, you can see where it says google.com, Google's web address. Well, I don't want that now, so I'm going to hit backspace on the upper right of my keyboard, and I'm going to type a new address. Look with me for a second. What I need to type is parkland.edu. Do you see any spaces there? I sure don't. Be really careful when you're entering a web address that you enter it exactly and with no spaces. We're really picky with web addresses. If there's any little mistake, it won't work. So we're going to be careful to type Parkland, all one word, period, edu, all together. Okay, here we go. All right, so here I am up in the address bar in the upper left, and I am going to type Parkland, period, dot, edu. Okay, well, listen, you see that there's a list of other stuff down here. That's because I go to a lot of other Parkland pages, and so the computer is trying to make life easy for me. But we don't want that right now. Right now, all we want is to carefully type parkland.edu in the address bar, okay? Now, to go there, let's choose the Enter key on the right-hand side of the keyboard. And there we go. There's Parkland's webpage. Now, the resources that we need to begin our online study at Parkland are going to be located in the Academics menu. Okay, so using my navigation pad, I'm going to move my arrow to the word academics on the upper left, but I'm not going to click. Instead, I'm just going to move my arrow on top of the word academics, no clicking, and you'll see that this other menu comes up underneath, right? Well, we need the last choice on that menu. So we need to move the cursor down the white list, not clicking, moving down to where it says Virtual Campus. Virtual is like online. Virtual Campus. Well, another list opens, doesn't it? I'm going to do the same thing. Without clicking, I'm just going to carefully slide my cursor over to the second choice, Getting Started Online. That's us. Okay, so finally now I am going to click. I'm going to click on Getting Started Online. When I do, up pops very important instructions we need in order to continue to use Parkland's online study resources. We'll talk about that next.